Okay, so I made these lines and a small house here. Is it visible? And a door, and I'll make some back trees and back small houses as well. Yeah, this is better. So that house was earlier smaller, so I made it small. Okay. So drawing is done. Now I am applying the water on the sky, and I'm leaving those house. I'm not applying water on the house. Okay, and then I'm using cobalt blue color, and we don't need to fill full because we have to leave the clouds white. Okay, this is a Chitrapat paper I am using, and you can do this at a cartridge paper or sketching book too. Okay, this is a cobalt blue, and now I have used little purplish for the back trees. You know that I always use that purple color for the back trees. I'm leaving the house. Okay, okay, and we have to remove those water drops if they are coming. See how good the sky came. Okay, now this is the tree I made. Okay, now we have to use some green color. So as usual, yellow ochre. Okay, and I'm leaving the house, and here I'll use you can mix the cobalt blue in the green, in the yellow, so it will turn into greenish. Okay, and then we will okay, and see these white color comes when you use on the dry paper. When you use brush, these dry marks comes. I will retain them because I like them, and I'm just making some shadows here. Some other trees there, and some other trees shadow is there, so I am making the shadows here, some here, some here. Okay, and now we want it to dry. Okay, and we have to make some shadow here as well, the tree we made here, right? And now we have to make it dry, so I'll use my dryer. So this is little dry, and using some more. Now it is 100% dry, so I'll make the trees. Those are far. So make some red color, take some red color, and to make the house, this side, this side. Okay, while the house is wet, red color wet only, take the cobalt blue and make the shadow. Okay, and some shadow you can make on the roof just like that, the tree shadow or something like that. Okay, so this is just some illusion kind of thing. Okay, and we have the brush blue till, so okay, I just make it wet and add some green. This is sap green. Okay, and then we have to make some trees are here also. Okay, hold the brush like this. If you hold the brush, it will be little uneven. It won't come that line kind of thing, the leafy effect that we want for the tree. It will come. On the bottom we can make little dark. Okay, now we have to make the trees. So trunk. Okay. Okay. Take one other brush and okay, shadow you have to make of the tree shadow. Okay, now same yellow ochre and cobalt blue, the same mixture we are taking. Okay, and making the trees. Okay. Like this. Okay, one tree, and on the bottom side you can make little dark. Okay, so these two trees are done. Now we have to make this tree. This is little bigger, so same, this is the same two color combination, yellow ochre and cobalt blue. Okay, and you can just sprinkle that water little bit, huh? And after that you see the effect, how beautiful it will come. See the strokes. I'll just make it zoom. See the tree, how am I making, huh? Look at it. Okay, now take the cobalt blue, okay, I'm just using the tip of my brush, and what I'm doing in all the directions. See, like this, huh? Okay. Fine. So how beautiful tree came. And I have to make one more tree here at the back side of the house, and I don't want it like this precise because this is far. So I'm just, see, whatever the remaining color was there in the brush, I used that. I did not use more color. Okay, I have left some part of the tree here because I wanted to finish the house, and then I'll make the some mist tree part here. Okay, I'm just making some grass part here because these houses are far and I wanted to look them far, huh? So I don't want to make them look like they are nearer, huh? Like that. And then I'll again put it back so that you can see the full painting. Okay, and now we have to make the house. Okay, we'll make the house now. So orange is the best color for the roof, because this will okay. These are also nearer roof, so you can use some orange on that roof, as well. Take the cobalt, okay, make the shadow here. Okay, and I'll make some tree shadow as well on the house, like this. Okay, we'll make it dry. Okay, so this is dry now. Okay, now we will make the door, and don't want to make that very even line, you just make some shadow of the windows, and here you can make the letters. Okay, and okay, so these house, and we have to cover the tree part little bit, so you know the combination, right? And we will just cover up the tree part like that, and this is done. Okay, I'm signing up. Wait, this is very fat, and oh no, and I'm running out of the tissues I'm getting. Okay, so you just use, if something went wrong, you just use a plain tissue kitchen towel, and here you are done. Okay, and I'll just sign up, and I'm done. I'll use blue color. Okay, see why I don't write here 4, otherwise it looks like 420. So 20 only. Okay, done. Okay, thank you for watching, my friends, my students, my dear children. Hope you like the video.